Hello everyone, hope all are fine. In last session, we discussed about syllabus. In today's session, we are going to discuss about first unit, that is portfolio construction. Let's begin. Before studying portfolio construction, I would like to clear you the meaning of portfolio management. That is subject portfolio management. Portfolio management is the art of selecting the right investment policy for the individuals in terms of minimum risk and maximum return is called as portfolio management. What is portfolio management? Portfolio management is the art of selecting the right investment policy for the individuals in terms of minimum risk and maximum return is called as portfolio management. Hope you are clear. In portfolio management, we are going to study how to construct the portfolio, what are the capital market theories, factor models, arbitrage pricing theory, and portfolio evaluation and revision. These are the topics or these are the units we are going to study in the portfolio management subject. Well, in this session, we are going to discuss about portfolio construction. Portfolio construction is a process of selecting securities optimally by taking minimum risk to achieve maximum returns. See, what is portfolio construction? Portfolio construction is a process of selecting securities optimally, optimum selection of securities by taking minimum risk and maximum return. That is nothing but portfolio construction. Okay. This is about introduction. Okay, let's begin with the meaning of portfolio. Okay, now what about portfolio? All of us know what is portfolio. Portfolio means it is nothing but grouping of securities or combination of securities such as stocks, bonds, and money market instruments, right? Portfolio is a combination of securities such as stocks, bonds, and money market instruments. Hope you're clear. Then, what about portfolio construction? The process of blending together the broad asset classes so as to obtain optimum return with minimum risk is called portfolio construction. The process of blending together the broad asset classes so as to obtain optimum return with minimum risk is called portfolio construction. What does it mean? See, portfolio construction is nothing but it is a process of blending together of various securities. Okay, blending together or selecting different kinds of securities with the intention of maximizing the return with minimum risk is nothing but portfolio construction. While constructing your portfolio, you are going to select broad asset classes, means different kinds of securities to obtain maximum return with minimum risk. That is nothing but portfolio construction. Hope you're clear. Now, what is Markowitz model? It's very important for 15 marks problem. Okay, Markowitz model. See, Markowitz model is also called modern portfolio theory, introduced by Harry Markowitz in 1952. It is a portfolio construction theory that determines the minimum level of risk for an expected return. It assumes that investor will favor a portfolio with a lower risk level over a higher risk level for the same level of return. See, Markowitz model, it's also called modern portfolio theory, which is given by Harry Markowitz in the year 1952. Just for example, there are two portfolios which have same expected return. See, there are two portfolios which have same expected return. Which one you are going to select to invest? Which one you select to invest? You are going to select which portfolio has minimum risk. That's what Markowitz model says. See, there are two portfolios which have same expected return. Which one you are going to select to invest? You are going to select the portfolio which has less risk or minimum risk, right? The return will be same. At the time, you are going to see the risk level. So which one gives less risk? That portfolio you are going to select. This concept is nothing but Markowitz model, which was given by Harry Markowitz in the year 1952. Hope you are